Hello everyone, this is our project PC based device control and I am from group number 9. She is my group mate Khyati, she is Jyoti, she is Mamta and he is Praveen and he is our guide TVS Divakar Rao sir. And our project is all about PC based device control. When you give instructions from the PC at the user end, then the instruction goes on to the hardware and then accordingly whichever devices are attached to it, the devices starts working. So this is the circuit of the project and this is the transmitter part, this is the receiver part. In the transmitter part, when the instructions are given from the PC, then the instructions are received by the RS-232. It acts as an interface between the computer and the peripheral devices, and further the instructions goes to the encoder where the instructions are encoded in a particular format. Then the instructions are received in the microprocessor. This is the Atmega 16 microprocessor which we have used in our project, and after receiving the instructions from in the microcontroller, whichever program is burnt or stored in the microcontroller, the respective process is carried out. And after the here is the capacitor. The function of the capacitor is to smoothen the output, as we all are well aware of. And then it comes to the receiver part. The instructions are received at the receiver end, and at the receiver part there is a decoder. Whatever instructions are encoded in the encoder, the instructions are further decoded in the decoder. And there are 3 relays for 3 devices, as we have designed the kit for accessing 3 devices. But in search chamber, according to feasibility, we have connected 2 of them. And whichever instruction you give from the PC, the corresponding relay will be switched on and the corresponding device will start working. So if you give the instruction of A here, then the fan switches on, and if you give the instruction of C here, the fan goes off and the light turns on. And when you give the instruction D, then both of them simultaneously starts working. And when you give the instruction E, then both of them are simultaneously switched off. Switches. And we have also given a parallel connection, so that if one is not able to access from the PC, then he or she can also access the kit, the devices manually from the use of switches.
Switch on once.
On that switch.
Yes.
Then the devices can also be controlled manually by the help of switches, as usually they are done. So this is all about it.
Okay, what is the extension of your project? Any future scope? What is the future one?
This project we can be implemented in a way that if there are a lot of home appliances or lots of switches are there, we can control it with only a single.
How many number of devices we can control using this program especially?
We now write for three of home appliances.
Can I control 15 or 20 devices if I change the program?
Yes.
Maximum one microcontroller we can control 32 devices.
32 devices. Okay. Means
In this we are using a small range of microcontroller. If we give much load, then it will burn. For practical use, we can use powerful.
what software you have used to burn the microcontroller?
AVIA Studio.
What is the front end of this software? Which software you have used? What is its name?
Real-time software.
Real-time software. It will work in Ubuntu?
No,
No, sir.
no, not.
It will work in only
Windows 7 and
Windows,
XP.
Windows XP.
Windows XP, Windows 7, all Windows.
Okay. Now what is this microcontroller?
Atmega 16.
Atmega 16. What is the number 16 tells us?
There are 16 data lines.
16 data lines. So it is working completely.
Yes, sir.
Can I check once?
Yes, sir.
Fan?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The name will be
Okay.
on fan.
Then what is the key for fan?
Light.
Light.
See.
Okay, good. Both I want to on at a time.
D, sir.
D. For on D, sir.
D. Very good.
For off E.
Both I want to switch off.
Yes.
E, sir.
E. Okay. Good. You explain what is the program regarding program. Anybody can explain once?
First, when we connect the USB of this project to the system, then it will show us COM port. We can see the COM port here, COM port in the computer device manager. Ports.
Okay.
Here we can see the COM31.
Okay.
So it is the COM port of this device.
Okay.
Then
COM port means communication port or what?
yes, sir, communication port.
Okay.
Then we will open the real-time software.
Okay.
Then go to port. Then we will change the baud rate. It is 9600. Then port is automatically coming 31.
Okay.
Then change. Now we can use. For A, the fan will on.
Okay. Right.
For B, both line.
Very good.